Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel.
Which one of the following is non-crystalline or amorphous? Diamond, graphite, glass, common salt. How many chloride ions are surrounding sodium ion in sodium chloride crystal? 4, 6, 8, 12. In sodium chloride structure, dash sites are occupied. All octahedral and tetrahedral, only octahedral, only tetrahedral, neither octahedral nor tetrahedral. Alkali halides do not show Frankel defect because cations and anions have almost equal size. There is a large difference in size of cations and anions. Cations and anions have low coordination number. Anions cannot be accumulated in voids. The coordination number of Y will be in the XY types of crystal 4, 8, 12, 6. The fraction of the total volume occupied by the atoms present in a simple cube is pi 4, pi 6, pi 3 under root 2, pi 4 under root 2. Edge length of unit cell of chromium metal is 287 pm. With BCC arrangement, the atomic radius is of the order 287 pm, 574 pm, 124.27 pm, 143.5 pm. The edge length of Phi cell is 508 pm. If radius of cation is 110 pm, the radius of anion is 110 pm, 220 pm, 285 pm, 144 pm. The distance between sodium and chlorine ions in sodium chloride with the density 2.165 gram centimeter cube is 564 pm, 282 pm, 234 pm, 538 pm. Fe3O4 magnetite is an example of normal spinel structure, inverse spinel structure, fluoride structure, antifluoride structure. Which of the following crystals does not exhibit Frankel defect? Silver bromide, silver chloride, potassium bromide, zinc sulfide. What type of stoichiometric defect is shown by zinc sulfide? Schottky defect, Frankel defect, both Frankel and Schottky defects, non-stoichiometric defect. Silver halides generally show Schottky defect, Frankel defect, both Frankel and Schottky defects, cation excess defect. Which of the following will have metal deficiency defect? Sodium chloride, iron oxide, potassium chloride, zinc oxide. In which pair most efficient packing is present? HEP and BCC, BCC and CCP, HEP and CCP, BCC and simple cubic cell. Effect of Frankel defect on the density of ionic solids: increases, decreases, remains unchanged, no relationship between density and defect present in it. In a Schottky defect, an ion moves to interstitial position between the lattice points. Electrons are trapped in lattice site. Some lattice sites are vacant. Some extra cations are present in interstitial space. To get N type of semiconductor, germanium should be doped with gallium, arsenic, aluminium, boron. P-type semiconductors are formed when silicon or germanium are doped with group 14 elements, group 15 elements, group 13 elements, group 18 elements. Which of the following conditions favors the existence of a substance in a solid state? High temperature, low temperature, high thermal energy, weak cohesive forces. The coordination number of atoms in a cubic closed packed is 2, 8, 12, 6. The coordination number of atoms in a body-centered cubic structure is 4, 8, 6, 12. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.